Hey guys, you having fun at Turkey Park? Yeah, it's a nice trail. Okay, I'm just gonna shut up now so you guys can hear all the swamp sounds. Oh, I fell tree. Oh, the sounds just went away. Good dogs. Good dogs. All I can hear are their steps, my steps, and the keys jostling in my pocket. Yeah, we're headed toward the swamp. And the mosquitoes. Boy, do they love me. You guys having fun? Yeah, I can't run here because all the roots and uneven ground. It's a perfect place to twist your ankle and get really hurt. So we're taking it slow. I actually removed the belt that I have on me because I usually tether them to my waist. So my hands are free. But they were too close to my feet, and it's a narrow pass. So a lot of times I'm next to them. Just felt too close. Look at this tree. I love this tree. Every time I pass it. Check this out. Come here, babies. Come here. Wow, it's a massive tree. Well, in Florida standards, not Sequoia National Park standards. Still a cool tree. Look at all the fern and the algae. Florida, Florida. You guys having a good time? Last time I checked the timer for us to turn around, we had 12 minutes. I think we're probably nearing the end of this hike. We're going to have to turn around. We might get to the river swamp before that. We might not. We're pretty close though. Red mulberry. Where? That's a magnolia tree. There's another tree there. I see the leaves, but I don't know where the actual tree is. Oh, this is probably that thin branch. Or, wow. It doesn't even look like the trunk of a tree. It's just a long, it looks like a long branch, but it's a tree. That's probably the red mulberry. Or the red mulberry died, and we still have the label. Hey guys, come on. Come on. Good dogs. I don't think a lot of people go to this trail. I personally love this trail, even though I get bitten, but I haven't felt a lot of mosquitoes today. I did make a bug spray, but I forgot to put it on. Typical me. Okay, we're really close. Yeah, you can see the roots coming up. Yeah, there used to be water here. You see all those roots sticking up? That's a swamp. But it's so dry here that it's, see, this is usually underwater. That's why those roots are there. Sticking up like that. Bunch of them. I almost fell. Caught myself. They're all over the place. Here we are. To the dried out river. It's got some water in it. Okay. Yeah, there's the sign. Wow. Hey guys, what do you think? We're not going to get any closer because I don't know if there are any alligators over there. We'll just go back. Yeah, there's a trail that goes around this way, but I don't want to get too close. They love to eat dogs. Anyway, we're going back to the car. This is our trip for today. Hopefully there's no trip to the floor, to the ground. I'll try to be careful.